talking about the mental health side of being an athlete or in the workplace, dealing with the pressures that come with that. Having a good team of people around me is what helped me through it. I couldn't do it on my own.
The Cambridge Analytica and Facebook scandal, it really exceeded my expectations of what a kind of worldwide scandal it became.
For the last 2 years, we've undergone a significant digital transformation. We've really changed the way we think about digital. Everything's changed, so I want to tell that story.
The way we deliver technology is really changing, focusing very much on really what is the business problem we're trying to solve.
As a technology leader, it's really important to hear what other people are doing, sense check whether, your opportunities, your challenges, is that what other people have? Am I going mad? Is it just me?
My company is a massive fashion and e-commerce brand. If those websites or apps go down, we don't have a shop front. It's what keeps me up at night. It's what I have to worry about. The talks, the workshops here are brilliant in terms of just giving you something new to think about and to focus on.
I love coming to events like this. I love the conversations that I have with people, the atmosphere, the buzz, the opportunity to absorb lots of different information. I mean, wow, there's so much happening.
Walking in today, you can see that people are back. They're back in the room.
We all spend a lot of time within our companies looking internally. This is a great chance to look externally.
I think everyone kind of looks and thinks, I got a lot out of that. I got a different perspective, which is so key today in today's technical society. Everything moves at such a pace.
There's so much serendipity that happens at these type of events. The beauty of this is that you can meet 30 people in a day where you would have been chasing on LinkedIn for 2 years and never got in touch.